Ignatius's wood sculpture, The Witch and the Apple, is truly a creative and heartfelt artistic highlight. The video documenting the journey of creating this piece not only provides insights into the creative process, but also offers a chance to admire the skill and talent of the artist. I was particularly impressed by Ignatius's use of simple tools like pencil and wood chisel to transform a rough block of wood into a vivid and conceptually rich artwork. His meticulous attention to detail on both the witch and the apple truly showcases exquisite sculpting artistry. The video not only chronicles a creative journey, but also tells a story of passion and relentless dedication by the artist. It makes Ignatius's work more accessible and allows viewers to feel the emotions and spirit he poured into every stroke. This video is a fascinating and insightful journey. From the initial stages where Ignatius begins with a raw block of wood to the final completion of the vibrant artwork, I was captivated throughout. One of the highlights for me was Ignatius explaining his choice of using a pencil and wood chisel. It's a simple yet sophisticated combination that allows him to recreate sharp and detailed features on every sculpture. I'm deeply impressed by the artist's skill and creative spirit. Moreover, the video effectively communicates Ignatius's working process, from material selection to carving techniques and intricate detailing. It's a great source of inspiration for art enthusiasts and aspiring sculptors alike. In conclusion, this video is not just about creating a visually stunning piece of art, but also about Ignatius's passion and unwavering dedication. It serves as a significant inspiration for those passionate about art and sculpting. If you are interested in art and creativity like me, subscribe to my channel now so you don't miss videos about wood carving and other works of art. Here, you will discover inspiring creative journeys and admire exquisite works from talented artisans. Please click the subscribe button and bell below to follow along with me. Thank you very much.